How to make money on TikTok with Temu. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and search for the Temu affiliate program. Then click on this link here, and after you apply, which everyone can do, even though you don't have a huge following, it doesn't matter. You can just simply apply for it. And then you're gonna get this code here. So you get your code and your link. Now, this link, you can paste it in your TikTok bio, and people can click on it. And for every new user, you're gonna get a commission and an extra 8 euros if they download the app for the first time, as you can see here, for every referral who first download the app. And basically, what you can do on TikTok is that you can review different items from Temu, and basically, you can simply tell them that you have the product in your bio, and when they click on that link and they download the app and they buy the product, you're gonna get a commission and extra 8 euros. So basically, this is the method to make money on TikTok with Temu. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.